If you're searching for truly safe, non-toxic, non-stick cookware, made-in Ceramiclad pans might just be the upgrade that you've been looking for. But do they deliver on performance? Let's find out. Made-in's Ceramiclad cookware is beautifully crafted, and it's featuring the same impressive 5-ply stainless steel and aluminum core construction that made their stainless clad line famous. 5-ply stainless steel core ensures quick, consistent heating across the entire cooking surface, giving you a professional level result every single time. PFAS-free ceramic coating offers a completely safe, chemical-free, non-stick cooking experience, an important step forward from conventional non-stick coatings. These pans aren't just safe, they're incredibly versatile too. You can use them anywhere. They are compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and they're oven safe, which is perfect for seamlessly moving from stovetop to oven. Lightweight, well-balanced, and exceptionally maneuverable, making everyday cooking enjoyable. Even after weeks of daily use, our Ceramiclad pan still performs beautifully. Food slides effortlessly off the pan, cleanup is a breeze, and the non-stick coating remains impressively scratch-free. So for best results, make sure that you cook on a medium heat to protect the ceramic coating and maintain optimal non-stick performance. Make sure that you avoid metal utensils. Stick with silicone or wooden tools to preserve the non-stick surface, and you will preserve it for years. Why will made-in Ceramiclad pans last longer than most ceramic non-stick cookware? Well, it's thanks to their unique 5-ply stainless steel base. These pans remain really safe even after the coating wears down. Unlike typical pans, there's no risk of aluminum exposure. Just add a little extra oil and keep cooking safely. Here at LeafScore, we appreciate Made-in's commitment to healthier, more sustainable cooking options. The Ceramiclad line blends safety, performance, and durability, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about sustainable non-stick cooking. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.